Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited. I've got a brand new release. This is Onda by Ellen Wille in the color Nut Multi-Shaded. This is a brand new collection to the Ellen Wille line, and as I'm opening, I'll tell you a little bit about what I know. I know that there are 43 styles that will be available in this collection, in this new collection from Ellen Wille. Just wanted to show you. It doesn't have a hairnet. So there are 43 styles that are supposed to be new to this collection. They're going to be released slowly throughout the year. For this collection, if I understood it correctly, is that they have taken the best, what they consider the best features from all of the collections and have made Modix. I thought Modix has a very affordable price in comparison to some of the other collections from Ellen Wille. It's known for having their petite average sizes. And while I don't necessarily agree, because I've got probably 4 or 5 from the Changes collection. I have another 4 or 5, maybe 6 from the Hair Power collection, and then I have about 4 from the Hair Society collection. It seems to me that the ones in the Changes collection runs true average. I have a 21.75 circumference, and any of the ones that I have purchased from the Changes collection has fit me perfectly. The ones from the Hair Power collection also, they fit me true average. They maybe have to cinch it in a little bit, but not much. I'm sure that they, at least the ones that I have, will fit up to a 22-inch circumference. Then we come to the Hair Society collection, and those are hand-tied or partially hand-tied. Those are all over the place. I have a spree and a clot, and those I almost had to crisscross because they felt so large. The circumference was just too big. And then I had Mirage, or I have Mirage, and Mirage fit a little snug, but it fit. No problem with Mirage, but very different from a clot and a spree that ran so big, so large. Then I purchased a Fair, and as if you watched my video on a Fair, it was too short from hairline to nape, from front to back. Way too small, much smaller than any of the other ones. So the one collection that I found that varies greatly is the Hair Society collection. So we'll see how this one runs. We have a lace front. It feels a little bit thicker than what I'm used to in the Ellen Wille's. Just feels a little bit on the rougher side. And then we have a left part that's not, it doesn't appear to be very long. Feeling a little bit of permatease, but not too much. Felt covered ear tabs, a weft cap that seems to have stretch to it. We have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters. I was very excited to be able to get this color because when I first ordered it, it wasn't available. And I was really surprised. So I changed it for platinum blonde. What is it? Platinum blonde shaded. And I was surprised when I opened the box and I saw the Nut Multi shaded. The numbers on Nut Multi Shaded are 830, 26, 27. So we have a medium brown base. Then we have highlights and lowlights. The highlights are light golden blonde, and the lowlights are light auburn. So we have light auburn, golden blonde. We have the medium brown base, and then we have a pretty dark root. I would say this root appears to be like a 6, but I think what's nice about it, and I have to wait until I put it on, but it seems to transition into the rest of the wig. So you don't have that stark root where it just stops and then you have the rest of the color, as sometimes we see on some of the wigs here. it just blends in. I'm actually really excited for this one. I think it seems to have nice loose waves. I like the messy. I'm going to give it a shake. And are you sitting there saying, okay, Marlene, just stop the rambling and just put it on? Okay, and I've got a wig grip on, and I've got a wig cap on. Okay, right now it looks kind of crazy, don't you think? A little bit too curly for my taste. But if you love curls, I need to relax. If I were to keep this, I would have to relax these curls a bit. I forgot to fill my water bottle. All right, let's see what we can do here. The lace doesn't feel scratchy at all. And the fit, it fits me perfectly, even with my wig grip and my cap. And I have a 21.75 circumference, so if you have a 22 inch and you don't wear everything that I do, you shouldn't have a problem. It feels quite secure. Seems to have a little bit of box hair right up here. There is a little bit of shine on the golden blonde. I think that what I'm going to do is give it a cool bath and let it hang. Not my usual style, but you know, I think that this would be fun for a day that I just wanted to wear a curly. I think this would be a lot of fun. Feels very light. Let me tell you the measurements. We have the front is 6.5. The crown is 9 inches. The sides are 8 3/4. The nape is 9 inches. It says 9 inches. That seems like a lot to me. And the weight on it is 2.9 ounces. So it's very, very light. Very light piece. As I mentioned, we really don't have, we have a little bit of permatease, but nothing really to speak of. The volume, I think it's due to the curls. I don't feel a lot of fibers here. If you wanted to do some bangs, you can certainly add some bangs and just train it with a hot air brush, and just make sure it doesn't have any metal, because if it has some metal, it could damage the fibers. These are traditional fibers. Yep, I definitely think it has a little bit of box hair. But, you know, I would totally defeat the purpose if I would do it before showing you. Let me show you the lace front. Very, very nicely done, as are all of Ellen Wille's. Show you the coverage. Here is my hairline, and here are the ear tabs. So I'm getting really good coverage. Just a little bit of root powder to match that darker root, and I think I'll be good. This is my lower hairline, so I'll just need to add a little bit more there. But I think that overall, I think there's really good coverage. Very cute. This box hair is kind of annoying, but we're just gonna roll with it. I really like the stock photo, the way it looks. I'll put a picture of it up here somewhere. I really like that. I'm just adding some aesthetic, a sea salt spray. Very cute. You can add a clip to it. Add a headband. You can give it a little bit of volume if you want. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Let me know what you think about this new style in the Modix collection. Do you like it? What about the color? Let me know what you think about the color. I would love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.